Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make object spin in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition. I will keep this setting and press OK to create a new composition. Next, we can add object, we can add composition, we can add image, we can add text layer, or we can add shape layer. I make it simple. I will use rectangle tool, and then I click and drag to draw a rectangle. I press Shift to draw a square. Next, I want to make the spinning obvious. I will increase the stroke thickness. And then I want to push the anchor point to the center of the square. So I select the shape layer and then go to layer and then go to transform. We can find center anchor points in layer contents. Click it and move the anchor point to the center of the square. Next, we can go to Align, go to Window and Align, and find the Align window, and I make alignment horizontally and alignment vertically to the composition. Next, we can go to Shape Layer, we can open the Transform, and we can find Rotation. If we adjust the value, we can make a rotation that is spinning. I go back to 0, and then if we want to set animation, we can click the time watch and then move the time indicator to next frame and then adjust the value. I go back to first frame and then press spacebar. So this is spinning. This is spinning in 2D. I stop it here and I delete the keyframe. Press delete. If you want to spin in 3D, we can click the 3D layer, activate. So we can have more option to spin in 3D space, for example, the orientation and X, Y, Z rotation. For example, I set Y rotation, I set the time watch here, and then add the keyframe here, and go to the next frame and adjust the value. So go back to first frame, I press spacebar, so we can spin in 3D space. So this is how we can make objects spin in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.